Welcome back. I hope that you are feeling refreshed and are ready to tackle the last set of questions, which are application-based questions. Okay, in front of you, you have a picture, and the instruction says, the picture shows muscles in an arm. A dumbbell weighing 5 kilograms is held steadily in position and then lifted upwards. The question says, analyze the picture and provide a name of the process shown. We know that we are seeing a picture of the arm with muscles. There we know that there are muscles that have tensed up and muscles that have contracted, and opposite that you have relaxed muscles. So here, the process that is related to this picture, we will say shows the contraction and relaxation of muscles. Okay, and we move on to our next question. Question 2, it says, describe the movement of biceps and triceps. In figure A, we have a figure A. We see that the arm, the lower part of the arm is moving towards the upper part of the arm, or we can say it's moving towards the chest, as shown by that arrow there. And the description of the movement, we can say that the arm moves towards the body. And when that happens, the biceps will contract, as we can see there, and the triceps relax. The muscles here have lengthened, they are relaxed. The next question, it says, describe the movement of biceps and triceps in figure B. So we have figure B there, and what's happening in figure B is basically the opposite of what happened in figure A. There you have the arm moving forward. So we need to explain what is happening to the biceps and the triceps there. Okay, we describe the movement of the arm. We say that the arm extends forward. Okay, and if we look at the biceps there, they are not tense or they are not contracted like they are here in figure A. So we will say that the biceps relax. And if we look at the triceps, or already from what we know, these are antagonistic muscles. The triceps contract, as we can see there, the muscles are contracted. Moving on to our next question. Okay, the instruction says, look at 3 examples of movement that is shown in the table. Okay, the movement, 3 examples of movement there. We have arm wrestling, a handstand, and rowing. Okay, instruction, write down which muscles are relaxed and which are contracted. So with the first, that is what happens when you arm wrestle with a friend. Okay, the arm is constantly bent towards the chest. That means your biceps contract, and obviously if the biceps contract, your triceps there will relax. With the second movement, you are doing a handstand, and our focus is on the arm area. What happens there? The arms are straight, so that means that the biceps will relax and the triceps will contract. And looking at the last movement, we have a person who's paddling a boat or rowing. Okay, here you actually have 2 movements. So what happens is when the arms move towards the chest, the biceps will contract and the triceps will relax. And when the arms are straight, we already know that the biceps will relax and the triceps will contract. Okay, I see there's a little error here. So that is supposed to be contract, as well as there, the triceps contract and not contact. We can move on to the last part of our application questions, where we have another table. The instruction here says, draw a table to compare 3 health issues related to the musculoskeletal system. When drawing your table, you are supposed to focus on the following: the affected body part, the cause of the health issue, and the characteristics of the health issue, or the characteristics on the body part. So with osteoporosis, the affected body part, there are the bones. What causes it? What causes osteoporosis? It is a lack of calcium, and it is characterized by fragile bones that can break easily, and they start to crumble and collapse. Looking at our second health issue, we have rickets. Which part of the body is affected here? We have the legs. Obviously, the bones in the legs are affected. And what causes this? This is caused by a lack of vitamin D and calcium, as well as phosphate. What do we notice in a person who has rickets? We will see, how is it characterized? A person will have soft and weak bones. There is bowing of the leg bones. And then our last health issue is arthritis. The affected body parts there are the joints. This is caused by the cartilage between the joints that break down, and the bones rub against each other. The characteristics of a person or a body with arthritis: the joints will become inflamed, they are painful, and they are swollen. That is it from our application question segment. Let us take a break before we wrap up our lesson.